Hi, fifth graders. We're going to be beginning our brand new science unit called Energizing Everything. And during this unit, we'll be learning about the different forms of energy. Our first lesson is going to focus on the Rube Goldberg machine. There is this band called OK Go, and this band is from Chicago, Illinois. Not only do they record great music, but they also create really cool music videos. We're going to watch one of their music videos, and this video is called This Too Shall Pass. While you are watching this video, I just want you to make observations. I want you to see all of the interesting things that you see occurring throughout this video. There's no need to record anything down in your science notebook the first time through. I just want you to watch. We will watch this multiple times, and I will ask you to record things in your science notebook, but for right now, go ahead, sit back, and watch the video. All right, fifth graders. So now that we've had a chance to watch the OK Go video, this time we're going to watch it one more time. And this time in your science notebook, I'd like you to fill out the C column, the very first column. and I want you to record all of the different types of things that you see kind of taking place. I don't need you to tell me everything that's falling down or being tossed in the air, but rather what kind of science do you see taking place? All right, if you're ready, if you need more time to get prepared, pause the video, but otherwise we're going to begin now. All right, fifth graders, that's a pretty incredible video, isn't it? So now you should have recorded down in your science notebook all the different types of science that you were seeing when you watched it the second time. So I want you to think now quietly to yourselves, how do you think the machine keeps moving? How does the momentum or the energy keep moving? So as we watch it a third time, I want you to be thinking about, how do you think the machine, the energy, keeps moving through that whole Goldberg machine? All right, we're going to watch it a third time. This time you're going to fill out the second column, keeping in mind, how do you answer that question? How do you think the energy keeps moving? All right, Here we go. All right, so we've watched the video 3 times at this point, 5th graders. And so as we are wrapping up this particular lesson, we have one more column to fill out on our chart. And this is the wonder column. What do you wonder about how the machine keeps moving? What are those thoughts that you're having? I'm not going to show you the video anymore. I want you just to stop and I want you to think, how does that machine keep moving? What are the questions that you have going on? As you finish writing up your questions for today, that will be the conclusion of this lesson. Next time we're going to do a hands-on activity where we're going to look at the Rube Goldberg machine, the first 30 seconds of it, and see if we can start to identify the different types of energy that are present.